Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to review this new RS11 electric air duster. This got sent to me in the mail by this company to check it out, and here is going to be my review video of this. In full disclosure, I did not pay for this. It was sent to me for free to do this product review, so I'll do my best to give you my honest opinion on how it works. Let's get it cracked open and see what we got. Packaging looks nice. It has a felt carrying case bag here. Instructions, basically what's included, and safety instructions using the product QR code for assistance. All right, I have a little duster brush here. Here's where I think this thing will come into big handy for me specifically is I sit right here in my RV and I use my computer quite a bit. I love to have the windows open and the doors open and all the things like that to let the breeze blow through all the time, but that collects dust on the inside. So my sensitive computer electronics and things like that, this would be nice to have a duster to wipe out the dust with. And it has all these attachments. So fine point here, a bigger point, or a point with a brush. It has even a smaller little brush and a more like a makeup type brush, softer bristles. Looks like big set of tweezers. I'm not really sure what those are for, but I'll find out in a second. The USB-C on both ends, charging cable. I like that. And the device itself feels pretty hefty. And it says, do not block the outlet. The battery, the power is only 50%. Recommend that you fully charge it before use to prolong life. Fully charged before storage. So right here is just some information about it, the power, the battery size, charging time, and how long the cable length is. Here's some other professional photos that they made for the battery size and all the other things that it has. Really cool fan. I'm going to test it out here and see how it works without charging it first, but so 3 fan settings: off, low. Let's see what this looks like against something else. So a little breeze there. A little bit more of a breeze there. Super breeze. And the fan is almost strong enough to hold it against my hand here without doing anything, but the battery part is a little heavier at the bottom, so it doesn't do that quite as good. But if we put on the attachments here, they're pretty easy to attach right into place. And you can dust and blow at the same time. Okay, let's see what these individual parts are real quick. So you have the air outlet, the air inlet, the power button, and speed setting. There's a battery indicator over here with 4 different lights flashing that tells me what the battery level is. Now, let's go inside and test it out on my computer and see how this thing works. But so far, 2 thumbs up. All right, here's all the components sitting here with my computer. I have a little bit of dust on there right now, so I can take this and brush off the big stuff if I need to, or get down in behind where the screen opens up there. And then I have this more fine brush, a little softer on the keys, maybe wipe the screen off, things like that. You have a even more fine brush if you need to get in between something else. Here's the charging cable, USB. Here's a big opening. Here's a small opening, and I imagine this one will go down in between some keys because there's a little bit of the end on it here. I'm not really sure. It blows out to the side. It's not straight on, so depending on what you're trying to do with that, maybe inflate something as well. I don't know, like a beach ball or something like that. If you could use this to inflate a beach ball with, I think that'd be a good idea. Here's the big brush. You can blow air and brush at the same time, or you have the oblong shape there. So if I wanted to blow off my computer here, I can. Low setting. Maybe using them in conjunction with each other, so the fan and the brush at the same time would help clean it better. But all in all, I am quite impressed with this little device. It's very powerful to get done what you need to do. I imagine the battery would last a long time, so I like to clean off my computer pretty regularly and other electronics in the house. So I can use this to dust off the various the TVs, the stereo, all the things in here, maybe blow out some cabinets or whatever else, or even in my vehicle, across the screens and the dash and all the things in my vehicle would be nice too. So I really think this is a handy thing to have in your home, in your vehicle, carrying it on vacation with you and things like that. So it's a pretty nice setup. I'm very impressed. And for any of you who have one of these shiny objects like I do, all your windows, when you open them up, you've probably noticed there's dirt and stuff in there, particularly if you leave them open like we do all the time. And this is a great way to clean these things out. Done. I very much appreciate the company for sending this out to me. If you have any questions about this product or anything else I've reviewed, please leave a comment down below and/or reach out to us on the Contact Us link on our website. Thank you all very much for making me a part of your day. Happy adventures, everybody.